and Craft.
Hello friends, welcome back to Action and Crafts. In today's video I am going to tell you how to make this cool bird fly. You can see it even flaps its wings. It looks cool and amazing. So now let's move on to how to make it.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. Your animating principle is nowhere to be seen. Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy when somebody real is waiting out there for me? Why am I looking at you? I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking at you. Oh, I'm gonna stop looking at you. Oh.
craft is ready. You can see an adorable butterfly sucking nectar out of a flower. Just kidding, it's a fake butterfly, but it really looks like a real one because it can flap its wings. So you can decorate it any way you want. You can also stick ribbons, beads, you can marker it, but I just stick these round beads which also look cool on it. So now I'll tell you how to play with it. First of all, you will just have to straighten up the wings. Then you will just hold it with this bottom area, you can see, and pull the tail. Wow, you can see it flapping its wings. If you hold it with from this area, you can see it will not flap its wings. So you will have to hold it from this area. Then it will easily flap its wings and sit on a flower. Wow, it's a good toy. You can play with it anytime you want, and it also looks beautiful. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Bye bye.